Affiliated to the Harbin Medical College, researchers prepare an amazing experiment, the transplanting of one dog's head onto the body of another live dog. This is the fifth such experiment. Their knowledge reinforced by the experience gained from 4 previous attempts and failures, the researchers try again, confident that it can be successfully done. And here is the proof that they were right. The small dog's head is now sustained by the large dog's body, yet their respective nervous systems remain unimpaired, and the characteristic actions of each are visibly unaltered. Knowledge gained from such experiments is of great value to medical science in its constant study of how to save and prolong human life.